close before, but then we're actually not close. I mean, like, obviously. No, you shouldn't. You shouldn't. But the thing is as well, do you know what? Because I've been presenting it, even though we could be chatting outside and she could be that good, I don't want to walk off thinking, oh yeah, she's there, I don't want to talk, because I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So that's why I need to straighten things up, make her understand, make her realize we're not talking like that. You understand? Yeah. Most of the situation is about. But that's what we talk about though. What do we talk about? We don't really talk about ourselves much. But that's like, for her, even these little conversations, even the meeting, she has to come up with little sarcastic things. That's like, yeah. Why come up with something like that? If you don't like what someone said, don't say nothing then. Yeah. It's like, I blatantly saw that day the awkward situation that every parent was in. What did you be? I was going to be crying. I was like, yeah. 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 No, I was like, no, I'm not about it. It's like, whatever. And I've got everything to worry about. Only because it was just me there, and then, like, obviously I don't